Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Let's look at today's top medical news. Experimental mRNA cancer vaccine shows potential for advanced stage cancer patients in phase 1 trial. Interim data from the phase 1 dose escalation part of the mRNA cancer immunotherapy show promise in patients with advanced solid cancers. Results from the phase 1 trial were presented at the European Society of Medical Oncology conference in Barcelona. The investigational mRNA cancer immunotherapy is targeted for patients with lung cancer, melanoma, and other solid tumors. 19 patients with advanced stage cancer received between 1 and 9 doses of immunotherapy treatment. Scientists have found the immunotherapy created an immune response against cancer that was well tolerated with adverse events including fatigue, injection site pain, and fever. 8 out of 16 patients who could have their responses evaluated were able to demonstrate their tumor size did not grow and no new tumor appeared. Protein kinase, a new target for treating heart failure, research finds. As society ages, the number of patients with heart failure is rapidly increasing. A group from Nagoya University Graduate School of Medicine in Japan has found an enzyme protein kinase (PKN) that regulates heart fibrosis. The enzyme catalyzes the conversion of heart fibroblasts to myofibroblasts, which threatens the integrity of heart. Deleting this enzyme reduces cardiac dysfunction, indicating the potential of anti-PKN treatment as a promising therapeutic for protecting patients against heart failure. The study was published in Nature Communications. The enzyme protein kinase N has been implicated in a signaling cascade that causes heart fibroblast activation. A group of researchers in the Department of Cardiology at the Nagoya University Graduate School of Medicine suspected the involvement of protein kinase N in the changes of fibroblasts to myofibroblasts seen in fibrosis. Cleveland Clinic study identifies key factors influencing long-term weight loss with GLP-1 RA medications. A Cleveland Clinic study identified key factors that can impact the long-term weight loss of patients with obesity who were prescribed injectable semaglutide or liraglutide, glucagon-like peptide 1 receptor agonist or GLP-1 RA medications for the treatment of type 2 diabetes or obesity. The study was published in JAMA Network Open. In patients with obesity who were prescribed semaglutide or liraglutide, we found that long-term weight reduction varied significantly based on the medication's active agent treatment indication, dosage, and persistence with the medication, said Hamlet Kesuyan, PhD lead author of the study and researcher with Cleveland Clinic's Center for Value-Based Care Center. The retrospective cohort study included 3,389 adult patients with obesity who initiated treatment with injectable semaglutide or liraglutide between July 1, 2015 and June 30, 2022. Follow-up ended in July 2023. At the start of the study, the median baseline body mass index among study participants was 38.5, 82.2% had type 2 diabetes as treatment indications. Among the patients, 68.5% were white, 20.3% were black, and 7% were Hispanic. More than half of the participants were female. Most of the patients received treatment for type 2 diabetes. Overall, 39.6% were prescribed semaglutide for type 2 diabetes, 42.6% liraglutide for type 2 diabetes, 11.1% semaglutide for obesity, and 6.7% liraglutide for obesity. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.